and in today's first video of our segment What's Cooking Wednesdays, we will be making mozzarella sticks. So the things you will need is eggs, mozzarella, string cheese, and breadcrumbs. So the first thing you want to do, get you a cutting board. I'm going to be making minis. I'm not going to make the full-size mozzarella sticks. Okay. So I'm just going to cut these in half. I'm going to make enough for my family, which is 4 of us right now. So I think I'll make 20. Which means I will be cutting 10 sticks. Hopefully that's enough. So now that we are done with that, I'm going to take your breadcrumbs that I got. They are Italian style, already seasoned, so you don't have to do much. Open it up, get one bowl. I filled mine up like that for now. And then you are going to get your eggs. I'm going to take out 3 eggs. I'm going to take out 3 eggs, but I'm only going to crack 2 for now. Okay, there's a shell. So before I go ahead and start dipping them, I want to go ahead and create an assembly line. So it'll be mozzarella sticks, eggs, and then breadcrumbs. And then we're going to place them onto the, you can either use a aluminum pan or your own baking sheet. Don't forget to go ahead and whisk your eggs. So one thing I did forget was your flour. You will need flour. So you want to have a wet and a dry hand. This is going to be my dry hand. This is going to be my wet hand. So let's go. So I'm going to take about 4 in here at a time. Coat it in the flour. Switch over to my wet hand. Coat it in the eggs, and then back to my dry hand. Dust it off and then put it on your sheet. Again, dry hand, coat it in flour, go to the egg, wet hand, and then make sure you dip all the excess off and then go into your breadcrumbs. And you're just going to repeat this process until you've coated all of your mozzarella sticks accordingly. So once you are done dunking the mozzarella sticks, what you're gonna do is put these in the freezer for 2 hours. And once your 2 hours has expired, we're going to move on to the next step, which is actually cooking the mozzarella sticks. Okay, so after you've waited for 2 hours, you're going to have your oil heated. Then you are going to put them in. I'm going to do 5 at a time. And then we're just going to wait. We're not going to do it for too long because you don't want them to burn and burst. We're just going to wait till it's golden brown and it floats. So now we're going to check them. You want to use a slotted spoon, not tongs, because you can possibly crush them. Pull them up, check them out. So this one looks perfect. These two look perfect. We can start taking them out now. And you're going to keep going until you have finished. So roomies, that concludes today's video of What's Cooking Wednesdays. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until then, see you in my next one. Bye.